was missing out on $200 to $300 on every shoot until I started doing this. Packaging and price anchoring. We first created packages by bundling services to offer even more value to our clients, and then we ordered our package offerings from highest to lowest, then followed by individual services. Doing this helped us increase our average order value from $600 to over $900 at my real estate marketing company, and it's all thanks to a little something called price anchoring. Believe it or not, this simple change can make a huge difference in the way your clients perceive the value of your services. When you present the highest price package first, it sets a benchmark for your clients. Suddenly, the lower price packages seem like a great deal in comparison. Not only does this make your clients more likely to choose a package, but it also increases the perceived value of your services overall. You're no longer competing on price, but value. One agency owner, Chris, did this and saw twice as many full packages get booked immediately because his clients finally understood and perceived the value. Our average order value increased by 30% thanks to price anchoring our packages and also consulting the clients with our visual booking experience. If you don't use these simple ways to grow your revenue, you're easily missing out on $50 to even $100 per order.